Now we have markings on both sides, right? So how we need to check? We need to check how many rotations this one makes, right? So I'll slowly rotate it. So how many rounds this one has made? Very good. One round this one has made, right? How many rounds this one has made? No, it is not completed one full round. It is now here only, right? Quarter or half. Now what I need to do? I need to rotate it again, right? So now So I am going to make another one rotation. Okay. So again I have made another rotation. Now also it is not completed one full rotation. It is now here only. It needs to come here, right? Then only it forms one rotation. So again I will tell it. I will do it. So now check. This one has made one full rotation. Then how many rounds this one has made?
3.
Okay, very good. So in order to make this one a full rotation, this one makes 3 rotations. Okay, very good. So we can increase or decrease the speed. Okay. So how we increase the speed or decrease the speed? When we rotate this one only one time. Okay, what happens? It rotates only half a round or quarter round, right? So same way when we rotate this one complete rotation, how many rounds this one rotates? 3 rounds. So for 1 round this rotates 3 rounds. For 3 rounds this rotates 1 round. So speed is increased 3 times or speed is decreased 3 times. So can you understand now how speed is increased or decreased? Okay, good. So school needs to do